So remember, the house makes a lot of weird noises, but there's no reason to get scared. The ka-chunk is the refrigerator, the brunk is the heater, and the da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da is the washer lid. If it gets too loud, just put more tape on it.
Not to worry, Mom. We'll be fine.
Well, you better be, because I'm not driving back. Even if there's a guy outside with a knife.
Mike, that's not gonna happen. They caught that guy.
What?
You'll be fine.
All righty.
We'll see you guys.
Rick, we're gonna have...
Rick?
Rick! Rick, you scared me to death. I am in charge. That means I need to know where you are at all times. All times!
I thought this weekend was gonna be fun.
It will be, but it has to be safe. Safe fun. That's why...
What was that?
Probably just the refrigerator.
Oh, wait. We have a dog now.
All right!